Students, class 10th CBSE board physics, first chapter light. You have read reflection and refraction of light. So now here we are proving F is equal to R by 2 or R is equal to 2F. और F क्या है? फोकल लेंथ. ये this is the relation for concave mirror and convex mirror, for both mirror. The relation between focal length and radius of curvature. F is equal to R by 2, R is equal to 2F. What is focal length? Focal length is the distance between pole and focus. Radius of curvature is distance between pole and center of curvature. This relation you will derive. This derivation is true for both mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. For this derivation, for proving F is equal to R by 2, we can take a concave mirror. Okay, we can take concave mirror and PC is the principal axis, imaginary line. Principal axis, ray AB coming parallel to the principal axis after reflection BF. So AB is the incident ray, BF is reflected ray. और ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर को B पॉइंट से ज्वाइन कर दोगे तो BC, दिस इज नॉर्मल परपेंडिकुलर. So this you are getting I, angle of incidence. Angle between incident ray normal is known as angle of incidence. Or R, angle of reflection. Angle between normal and reflected ray, the angle of reflection. And you have read angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection from laws of reflection. Now, so triangle we can take triangle B, F, C. So this you are getting angle I and here I. Why I? These are the alternate angle. So I here I. So triangle we can take B, F, C. In this triangle, this I is equal to R. And you have read in isosceles triangle, this triangle, this angle is equal to this angle, base angle, then this both sides should be equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So here this angle in triangle B, F, C, this angle I is equal to R. So this CF is equal to BF. Now we can consider this point B, aperture is small, diameter is small. So if point B is very close to P, so this distance BF is approximately equal to PF. So this you are getting here, CF is equal to BF is equal to PF. This we can take here, PF is equal to CF is equal to focal length. After that, now this distance PC is equal to PF plus FC, or here PC is equal to PF plus this FC is equal to PF. So this you can say PC is equal to PF plus PF, 2F, 2PF. So PC is the radius of curvature R, or here 2 PF, this PF is F. So this relation you can consider, therefore F is equal to R by 2. This relation is true for concave mirror and also for convex mirror. Convex mirror also you can draw the diagram. Convex mirror, this is the convex mirror, principal axis, pole, focus and center of curvature. Where AB that you can consider, here AB and here focus you can consider. Incident ray and here reflected ray, और ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से ये एक ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. this C. This is angle of incidence and angle of reflection, and both are parallel. So this, and here you can draw perpendicular N. So both are parallel. Here I C point you are getting, so this will be I. This is parallel, so the corresponding angle, and this will be also R angle. So this also you can consider R. Vertically opposite angle, this R you can consider. This R you can consider. Here both are parallel. Line joins them. This line. So this will be I corresponding angle, and R this you are getting vertical angle. So now in this is convex mirror. This side is inner side is polished. This is a convex mirror. So same triangle you can take, similar. Only figure you can draw for convex mirror, concave mirror and convex mirror, and similarly you can prove for convex mirror also.